Container ship coming down by the skate park underneath the Bayonne bridge. It's over there through the trees. But look how the massive size of this container ship. I can't even get it on frame from front to back. Container ship going underneath the Bayonne Bridge, Staten Island, New York. Lucas watching the show too. And these guys over here got their drone stuck in a tree. They're trying to stick it down. Drone stuck in a tree. And container ship about to make it underneath the Bayonne Bridge, which they raised, I guess, for that bad boy to make it underneath there. It looks like it's gonna be a tight squeeze. And there's a skate park, Staten Island, New York. It's January, so we're the only ones here. Full-size gas station. Hope everybody enjoyed. Staten Island container boat going under the Bayonne Bridge 2019. See what this year brings.